Hello children, now today I am going to teach you another 4 numbers. Earlier I taught you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now today I am going to teach you another 4 numbers. Okay, now the first one is 7. Here, 7, 7. 7. The next number here, 8. 8. 8. Number 7. Number 7. Number 8. Number 8. Here, the next number, number 9. 9. 9. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Here the last number, number 10. 10. 10. Number 10. Okay. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay children. Thank you for listening.